There's something strange happening in Mochi's head right now. While you're watching this video, Mochi isn't fully focused. A part of its brain is quietly asking, is there something more pleasurable out there? And that tiny little question is what makes Mochi lose focus, overthink, and unable to live peacefully for even a minute. But what if I told you, Mochi can be reset to feel peaceful again? This isn't an empty promise. This is neuroscience. Before becoming a super-focused human, Mochi was once an expert at messing up its own brain. A small notification is enough to make it run in circles like a chased cat. A vague comment from someone is enough for Mochi to analyze 17 different scenarios. And the funniest part is, Mochi isn't lazy at all. It's just information poisoned, overdosed on quick dopamine, lacking deep dopamine. Like trying to clean the room, but dust from outside keeps blowing in non-stop. Never finishes cleaning, just adds more mess. This is the noteworthy part. Mochi's brain always evaluates two things in a split second. 1. Leffert. 2. Welcome. We-word. If the reward comes quick, dopamine surges. Brain says, give me more. If the reward is slow, brain says, time to quit. Scrolling social media? Dopamine hits right away. Thinking back on yesterday? Dopamine too, but the stressful kind. Reading a book, sitting still, deep thinking? Dopamine arrives late. Mochi's brain complains. But the dangerous thing is, when getting too much quick dopamine, Mochi's dopamine receptors become numb. So everything slow, healthy, deep, all becomes boring. Mochi isn't overloaded by life. Mochi is overloaded because the speed of stimulation exceeds processing capacity. Here's an example. Mochi opens the phone just for 10 seconds. 10 seconds later, 40 minutes vanish. Mochi plans to meditate for 5 minutes, but the brain immediately pops up an inner notification. Hey, what about that other task? Hey, what did that person say yesterday? Hey, check email. And then Mochi thinks too much, does too little, worries excessively. Not because Mochi is weak, but because its mind is too dirty, full of fragmented info scraps. No clean mind, no real focus. Many people think to stop overthinking, you just think less. Completely wrong. The brain doesn't think less. It just switches the type of thinking. Mochi doesn't need to shut off the brain. Mochi needs to reduce junk, reduce quick stimulation, reduce empty dopamine. This is the science version of digital detox. Reduce noise, increase dopamine sensitivity, boost focus ability, reduce overthinking automatically. Not about being tough, but about letting the brain have a chance to breathe. Try these methods to turn an ordinary person into a super Mochi. Ordinary, but not mediocre. 1. Therapist stimulation right after waking up. First 10 minutes, no social media. Mochi's brain will start smoother, without drowning in dopamine, the moment eyes open. 2. Filter information noise. Unfollow 5 useless pages each day. Mochi should only consume clean information. 3. Give the brain 2 minutes reset whenever overloaded. No meditation, no forcing. Just let it be. That's when dopamine stabilizes on its own. 4. Prerequisite gaps into real breaks. Waiting for the elevator, no scrolling. Riding in a taxi, look around. Mochi's brain will become more sensitive to slow rewards. 5. Train focus with mini tasks. Not 1 hour, just 3 minutes. The brain likes low-pain tasks. A clean mind isn't a mind without thoughts. It's a mind not controlled by noise. To love life, you must love the gaps. To focus, you must let the brain rest. To find peace, you must clear out the noise. Digital detox isn't quitting social media. It's restoring Mochi's natural sensitivity threshold, where small joys are enough to make you smile, where tough tasks become meaningful. A clean mind gives you space to breathe. And when the mind starts breathing, life starts brightening up. Mochi thanks you for watching this far. If you hit like, Mochi will think, someone to detox alongside me. Remember to follow. See you next time. Together, become a better version of ourselves. Like Super Mochi.